big.
I'll get it.
That's bigger than I thought.
Just be careful, the sticks in there. What?
Bow? Oh, you mean like a bow that shoot?
No, it's a bow it's the bow you use. Yours is like my case. Because that's how mine opens. It's like how I open it.
Well, I wonder why.
Whoa.
Oh,
Oh, that's so pretty. Shelly, there's a strap over there.
yeah, that's what I do to mine. But it's
And see if it fits you, Shallow.
Still stuck mommy inside.
Wow, that's pretty.
Hey, wait. Can I take that out?
And we,
You have a thing like me.
it fit?
Well, kinda.
Yeah, nice.
Kinda big.
Charlotte.
It comes with a rosin.
Whoa, can I see that?
You
Can I
gotta
really
put
see
it,
that? I want to see that.
and then there's a cloth,
I have that too.
and there's some strings.
No.
Whoa, what is that?
It's too big.
It's so pretty. What is this?
No,
Rosin.
YOLO doesn't fit me.
What is this? Naomi? It's for these.
What are your what are your thoughts, Shallow?
What do you mean?
What do you think about the viola?
Shall look at this?
You like it?
Shall look at this? It's the tiny box. Look, if there's a special thing here, put it in. That's where you put it.
What is this?
That was what